the turmeric powder and the cumin powder, chili powder, curry powder and pepper.
This is the color.
This is the color. If you want more black, it's also okay. But now I do this color is enough.
Close.
Onion. Yeah, fry them. If you want to cook more, you have to add more.
Okay.
If you want more taste, you can add more. Stop this place.
How much of curry powder is that?
This is around 10 gram,
10 grams.
10 gram or 15 gram, no problem.
Okay.
Uh, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, but 1-2 times we have to mix it, otherwise burn down.
Yes. You add water until the top of the
Yes,
chicken.
yeah. It's become soft.
Soft.
It's a dry. It's a
Not
dry.
dry. Not dry.
Yeah.
Ooh, wow. Nice, eh? And it doesn't stay. It goes away soon.
Yeah, it doesn't stay on your tongue or,
No.
or anything.